I am going to Scotland. Why? Autumn, fall colors. When I first found about this phenomenon of going to take pictures of the fall colors, like when trees turn red and yellow and pink and all those different colors in the fall, it was in US, and I was quite surprised that people actually travel several hours for seeing these colors and taking pictures. I'm like, yeah, this is like a first world phenomenon. But seriously, since then, I have become that person myself. Like, when I see the fall colors near my house, I'm like, oh, fall colors, need to go somewhere. Should I go somewhere? Where can I go? Last year I went to Slovenia. That was beautiful. And this year, we are going to Scotland. Scotland in the Highlands would be nice, beautiful pictures, beautiful colors. And I'm going with my friends. Right now, I'm looking for the car where I parked it. It's a rental car, so I know the number. I'm just looking for the actual parking spot where I parked it. I think I know where. So yeah, so we are on the way right now. This which you see behind me is the services, Weatherby services. We stopped for a bit of coffee and I had a sandwich. I do still have a toothache which started a few days ago, but much less than before. So hopefully it will go down, not up again. I will let you know how things go from here on. But we should get there about 7-8 o'clock if we are lucky. If we get there by after 9 o'clock, the hotel would be closed. So it's a rural hotel in a place called Bridge of Kelly, and the hotel name is also Bridge of Kelly Hotel. So if we get there on time, we get in. If we don't get there by 9 o'clock, we don't get in. So we'll see how that goes. The suspense is still now. It's right now 3 o'clock and we have 4.5 hours to go. But you don't know, my friends, how many breaks they take and how long breaks they take. So, yeah. So this is what I look like this morning. Why? Because I am in the Scottish Highlands. And the reason I'm wearing this dorky hat is because I came out of my room after getting ready to fly my drone and take some nice footage around here. And we got here late last night. This place is called the Bridge of Kelly. And the hotel also is called the Bridge of Kelly Hotel. And this is what the Scottish Highlands look like. Let me show you properly. So thank you so much for watching, and do come back for the next one. Have a wonderful week and see you in the next one. Bye bye.